Hey, what's up everybody? It is my favorite time at Travel Punks once again, and that is of course mail time. That means new credit cards, so we're breaking a new one open for you today. Today we have the business gold card from American Express. So without further ado, let's crack this open. Alright, so here we go. The business gold card from American Express. Tear this guy open. Not exactly an unboxing per se, more of an unenveloping, I guess. That's alright. Same basic concept. Where are they hiding it? Alright. Peel this dumb sticker off so we can actually look at this thing. So this card is gorgeous. It's another metal card. It's shiny, it's gold. So the big thing with this is the benefits. 70,000 point sign up bonus is the public offer. I hunted around a little bit. I found a 90k sign up bonus on it. That does require spending $10,000 in the first 3 months, which is obviously a lot, but it is a business card. They do expect that you'll have higher expenses than with a personal card. As far as the earning structure goes, you can earn 4 points per dollar in the 2 categories where your business spends the most money each billing cycle, and that's 2 bonus categories out of the following, which is airfare purchased directly from airlines, purchases for advertising and media, purchases at gas stations, purchases made from certain technology providers, computer hardware, that type of thing, and restaurants, including takeout and delivery, and U.S. purchases for shipping. So as far as business cards go, really great set of benefits as far as what you can earn 4 points per dollar on. But obviously right now we're just taking it out of the package and looking at how pretty it is. For $295 a year, we'll see. At least the sign-up bonus will definitely make it worthwhile, and hopefully I can make use of that 4 points per dollar as well. So that's all I have today. We might dig deeper into this card at another date, but for now, just getting it out of the envelope and taking a look at it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let us know if you have any comments or questions, any other cards you want to see, or any questions about this card. You can hit us up on the Travel Punks YouTube channel or on Instagram. Thanks for watching.
Want to learn more? Make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon so your phone yells at you when we post some new shit, and comment on our videos if you have questions. We try to answer every comment. Welcome to Travel Punks. Now let's get in the fucking air.